Hi, this is Sakshi from Elemzy. Today I'll be explaining to you all how the Principal Elemzy dashboard works. To register, click on Register Now button right away. Enter the name of your institution and click Next button on the bottom right corner. Enter your email address, password and confirm your password over here. Click Next button on the bottom right corner. Provide the institution's phone number, address, PIN code and select the state and the city. Click Next button on the bottom right corner. Specify the type of students your institution has. Enter the current academic year over here. Define what you call your classes and divisions. Indicate the number of years and semesters per year. Click Next button on the bottom right corner. Enter your first, middle and last name over here. Your institution registration is now complete. Click Go to Dashboard to access the Principal dashboard over here. In the dashboard, you can view total number of students, teachers and parents. Calendar, upcoming events, important dates, notifications and leave requests as well. In the left menu bar, you will find sections for exam results, attendance, events, approvals, holistic ranking, feedback, messengers, and settings. The next step is to set up classes and subjects. Click on Settings on the left sidebar. In the top right corner, Classes. Select the year, classes, and semester and add subjects. Mark each subject as either compulsory or optional. Then click Update Classes over here. Now, to assign a teacher to a specific subject, visit teacher.elemzy.com or download the app from Play Store or App Store to register teacher's account with us. Select the teacher assigned subjects and click Update Classes after registration. Now let's discuss the Elemzy features over here. Number 1 is the notice board. Click on the notice board option in the top right corner. Select Add Notice, specify notice for, enter the title and description, attach any document and click Send Notifications from here. Number 2 is broadcast notifications. Official broadcast notifications to teachers, students or parents, or you can send them individually as a group. Enter the subject message and click Send to Broadcast. Exam management. Number 1, what you can do is schedule exams. Go to exams in the left menu bar and click Add New Exams in the top right corner. Number 2, exam details. Enter the exam name, subject, total marks, date, start and end times and select the class, semester and divisions. Click Schedule Exam over here. Next is result management. Add results. Go to results on the sidebar. Then click Add results to enter exam marks. Number 2 is how to check your results. Click on Check Results to view submitted results. Number 3 is Submit Results. In the top right corner, click Submit Results for specific exam. Add student marks and click Submit from here. Viewing attendance. Now let's do that. Go to Attendance on the left sidebar. Select the semester, year, division and subject. And then choose month to view monthly attendance or date to view daily attendance. Events and dates, how can you do that management? Check events and dates. Click on events in the left sidebar and select events, dates or holidays to view it. Add events, click the add button in the top right corner. Choose to add an event from here, add the date or holiday, enter details and click add event to save it. Now approvals. Go to the approvals menu in the left sidebar, select a profile to approve, reject or delete. Holistic rankings, let's do that now. Select holistic rankings from the menu, choose a semester, class and divisions and click view to check the rankings. Next is feedback. Click on feedback in the sidebar to review received feedbacks. Next, Messenger. Open Messenger from the left sidebar to send messages and share documents or images in chat format. Settings. In the settings page, you can view principal settings and institute, timetable, classes, promote and fee. Now let's see the timetable. Click on timetable in the top right corner, select the class, divisions and date, enter subject wise and time and click update timetable. Next is fee structure. Click on fee, select the year and division, fill in the fee details and click update fee structure. Number 3 is student promotion. Click promote, select the year, division and semester for both the current and promotional year. And then click promote students over here.